All right, so I'm driving and videotaping myself, super dangerous. But basically, what I want to do is talk to you guys about how important it is, especially in an inflation-driven society right now. Inflation is definitely not going away, and I want to let you know that in order for you to thrive in this economy, you're going to have to create your own economy. All right, so what does that mean? The number one thing you need to do is build an audience and find a passion on something that you're very passionate about, whether it's talking about sports, whether it's about NFTs, whether it's about day trading, whether it's about branding, right? Like, or marketing, right? Or DIY. These are all things that people want to learn about online. And I'm sure that you've YouTubed something and got the answer on Google or YouTube. This is what you need to do to create predictable passive revenue. That way you're in a position to make supplemental income, because every single year the cost of living is getting more expensive, and what you need to do is offset that by having creative passive income coming into you that grows year over year, just like a business. So the number one thing is learning how to make money online, right? There's affiliate marketing, there's YouTube AdSense where you get paid for advertisers to be on your videos. There's subscription-based models, there's online courses, there's drop shipping, there's all sorts of stuff. And you need to be able to learn how to capitalize and make money out there, because people are way more comfortable spending money online. So if you want to learn how to build an audience, make money online, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And what I can do is literally give you step-by-step instructions on how to actually grow an audience, how to take advantage of the online creator economy, and how to monetize it. It's really simple. You just got to do it. Okay. So this video is just a quick intro. I know that I have been offline for a little while, but this is something that I'm very passionate about. I've been in the marketing and advertising industry for over 10 years now. And now I want to be able to give back. I want to be able to give high quality value away to people like you. That way you're actually benefiting from it. Okay. So that's all I got for you. This is Nate here signing out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.